This is a simple morning wake-up conversation between a caring mother and her sleepy son. The dialogue shows how a mom lovingly tries to wake her child for school, while the son makes excuses, complains about waking up early, and slowly gets ready for the day. It's a sweet, everyday family moment full of care, fun, and love.
Good morning, son. Time to wake up.
Mom, 5 more minutes, please.
The sun is shining already.
I'm still sleepy.
Get up, or you'll be late for school.
Why do mornings come so fast?
Come on, open your eyes.
The blanket is so warm.
Do you want me to pull your blanket?
Can I skip school today?
Don't sleep more, it's getting late.
I don't want to wake up.
Wash your face quickly.
All right, I'm opening my eyes.
Your breakfast is almost ready.
I'll go wash my face now.
I made your favorite sandwich today.
Thanks for making breakfast, Mom.
Brush your teeth properly.
Sandwich? Yay, I love it.
Don't forget to comb your hair.
Okay, I'll brush my teeth.
Have you packed your school bag?
Yes, I'll comb my hair too.
Your uniform is on the chair.
My bag is already packed.
Hurry up, the bus will come soon.
I see my uniform, thank you.
Drink some milk before you leave.
I'll hurry, don't worry.
Don't skip your fruits.
I'll drink the milk.
Did you finish your homework yesterday?
Don't worry, I finished my homework.
I'll keep your shoes near the door.
Thank you for keeping my shoes ready.
Be quick, your friends must be waiting.
Yes, I know the bus will come soon.
Okay, have a great day, my boy.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
And that's how a loving mother helps her sleepy son start the day. With care, patience, and a little push, mornings become brighter and happier. No matter how busy life gets, these small family moments always bring warmth and love.